The CHUBORY A68 Drone Kit is perfect for beginners and children, making it an ideal gift for anyone new to flying drones. With its 120-degree wide-angle camera, you can capture stunning 2K HD photos and videos, providing an exciting aerial photography experience. Equipped with strong brushless motors and 2 upgraded batteries, this drone offers up to 36 minutes of flight time, ensuring longer and more enjoyable flights. The drone features a range of user-friendly functions, including one-key start and landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfies, and trajectory flight. Its adjustable HD camera can be tilted within 90 degrees using the remote control or app, allowing you to capture breathtaking bird's-eye views. The compact, foldable design and lightweight build, along with a portable carrying case, make this drone easy to transport, and it comes with a 1-year warranty and permanent support.